So basically we're finna figure out how to make thumbnails in Canva. I know the mic probably doesn't sound that good. I'm gonna try to do my best to like fix it. All right, so we're going to go for YouTube thumbnail, a blank thumbnail. They definitely have a lot of templates, so I got to get like an idea though. I don't know what to make. That's my thing right now. I think I'm just gonna make a Watch Dogs thumbnail, you know, because they have a lot of colors and stuff. I don't really have a video idea to make a thumbnail on. This is really the video idea, and I don't really want to make, you know, the thumbnail for the thumbnail. The thumbnail for the thumbnail of the video that I'm gonna drop a thumbnail. Bro, I think you get what I'm trying to say, bro. I think I might do like a Watch Dogs 2 one. Should I do Watch Dogs 3 even though everybody said that shit flopped? So we're gonna get a background for the what we're gonna do. This might low-key go hard, bro, you know. Maybe something like this. Let's see, like you just want to get all your images and stuff out the way, so I would definitely have to blur out these. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna have to blur out this shit. It's definitely gonna be over these search results. We got some pictures, some shit I can work with. We just get these hoes over here right quick. Get our background on here. So first things first, I'm gonna try my boy right here. See, I've told you I'm a beginner. I don't know all the tips and tricks, but this is looking already fire. Okay, so then this is why I got this. Like this, bro. Just write some shit over it. That's gonna look hard too. Oh, I just got some idea for some cold ass shit. Oh my goodness. Hold on with it. Yeah, you already see where I'm going with it. Then you come over here with this bitch right here. If that bitch do that. Go ahead and stop. You know? So this is already pretty hard. I'm gonna look at these because they have better stuff like that. So basically I've gotten like, you know, like the layout of what I wanted. I'm gonna add like a little bit more, something like that. Oh, I'm a dummy. Well, let me just delete both of these real fast. And we want to here. And this one down to 50. Yeah, that's the best I'm gonna do right now. Kind of like that there. Yeah, really, this is what I would do right now if I was gonna post a video about the evil mind of Wrench. Watch Dogs 2, I know it's random as fuck, but hey, you know, if you guys wanted to see some more, you know, or me keep doing this, then let me know. Like in the video, I can show you guys some more stuff, or just keep learning with you guys, because I'm definitely not good at this yet. All right, peace.